Hello everyone! Cheryl in Europe here. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat, especially sa mga nagtatrabaho abroad. Mayroong tanong ang lahat, at tanong ko din ito. Why do we choose to work abroad? Bakit kailangan pa nating lumayo and endure all the loneliness and hardships when we can just stay in the Philippines with our family? You know, bago ko umalis, ang dami kong pangarap. And I dream of giving my family this at home. Gusto ko that my children gets a good education na hindi sila kakapusin sa mga pangangailangan. Kaso lang, kahit gaano tayo magsipag at magtiyaga back home, sometimes it's still not enough. Kahit maaga kang gumising at umuwi ng gabi, your earnings are just enough for daily expenses. Pero wala nang matitira sa ibang pangangailangan. That's when I decided, kailangan kong umalis. Not because I wanted to, but because I needed to. Hindi naman ito madali. Akala ko dati pag nag-abroad, madali na ang lahat at magiging mayaman agad. But that's not true at all. Every single cent that we earn here, kapalit nun, pamumulila, pagod, and so many sacrifices. Umalis ako hindi para sa sarili ko. I left because I want to give a better life to the people I love. Umalis ako for my children's future, para sa kalusugan ng mga magulang ko, and for my family who depends on me. Because we know someone is waiting for us, and we are working hard for something meaningful. At para sa mga nagtatrabaho din abroad, saludo ako sa inyo. Alam ko yung bigat na dinadala ninyo, and I know the struggles you hide behind your smiles. Pero huwag tayo mapapagod. Every drop of sweat and every day spent away from home, lahat yan ay may halaga. And to those back in the Philippines who are planning to work abroad, pag-isipan nyo ng mabuti. This is not paradise. It is never easy. Pero kung para sa pamilya at pangarap ninyo, you can definitely do it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel para hindi kayo mapag-iwanan sa mga kwento ko. Thank you so much and ingat kayong lahat. Till next video, Nasla Tanaw! Bye!